Welcome to Draw With Me. Today we are doing a cute bunny, so get your pencils. We're going to start with the ear on the left, nice upside down long U. We're going to join it in the middle here and draw the other ear. Now what we're going to do here is join both of these ears either side together in a nice big round circle. So we start on the left and then bring it all the way around to the right. Nice big round shape. Then we're going to do the insides of his ears. So we're going to do one little bit there and then another bit and join the two together here. Great. I love drawing bunny rabbits. They're my favourite thing. I'm going to do two large circles for this bunny's eyes. Do a nice reflection dot in the middle and just underneath there, and same on the other side. Then we'll draw his little nose and mouth. So we're going to do a V and then a stick to make it look like a Y. Then two whiskers this side and two whiskers this side. Next, what I'm going to do is the body. So I'm going to do two lines either side of this little guy's face and then bring it all the way around so it's a nice circle round shape. Then legs. So I'm going to do a nice curved line here, then bring it out from the bottom and then do his little toes. And then we'll do the same on the other side. Make it nice and round. Same on the other side, line them up. Bring a nice curve there and in again. And then his little toes again. Lovely. Make that bit flat and then join the two together. Wonderful. Next, I'm going to do two little hands. They're going to be two U's that are on an angle here. And this little guy is going to be holding a carrot. Now he could be holding anything, so you can decide what you would like, but I think a carrot is pretty good because bunnies love carrots. I'm going to do the little green leaves at the top of the carrot here, and then do some lines across the carrot just like this. And then what I'm going to do at the back is this little guy's tail. I'm going to fast forward this bit, colour him in. I'll see you back shortly. I hope you've enjoyed colouring in your special bunny. I sure have. I'm going to add some magic detail at the end here with a wonderful orange glitter pen. I'm going to go over the lines of this carrot to make it look extra sparkly and special. Now you don't have to add extra detail if you don't want to. If you're happy with your drawing, then it is your choice completely. So I'm doing the orange glitter here. Then I'm going to get a pink glitter pen. And I'm going to add some amazing detail to this little bunny's ears on the inside, just to add some extra sparkle. Now, your drawing doesn't need to look exactly like mine. Yours will be truly amazing. Practice makes perfect, and you can draw and share with your friends and have fun together. Thanks for watching.